is our greatest legacy. Let's safeguard it with care for our future and theirs. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today, on this special occasion of World Environment Day, we come together to celebrate the incredible beauty and diversity of our planet while also reflecting on the challenges that it faces and the collective actions we must take to protect it. Our planet is an amazing place filled with wonders, big and small, from the towering mountains to the vast oceans, from the lush forest to the expensive deserts. Our planet is a treasure, an expensive desert, and a treasure trove to the natural marvels. It is home to millions of species of plants and animals, each playing a unique role to delicate the balance of life. However, alongside this beauty, our planet is also facing serious threats. Climate change, pollution, deforestation, and loss of biodiversity are taking all that all their toll to the health of environment and all living beings. Pollution is another major challenge that we must confront, whether it is air pollution coming from vehicles and industrial activities, water pollution from untreated sewage and climate runoff, and public transport. Deforestation is yet another critical issue that demands our attention to the demand of our planet. Forests are not only home to countless species of plants and animals but also provides a vital services such as oxygen production, carbon sequestration and regulation of water cycle. Loss of biodiversity is perhaps one of the most serious consequences of human activities. As species disappear at an alarming rate, we are not only losing valuable genetic resources but also disrupting the intricate web of life that sustains ecosystem and provides essential services such as pollination, pest control and nutrient cycle. But amidst these challenges, there is hope. Across the globe, individuals, communities, and government are coming together to take actions to protect and prevent our environment. One of the most effective ways to combat climate change is to reduce our carbon footprints. This can be done by conserving energy, using public transport, reducing waste, and supporting renewable energy sources such as solar and wind powers. Reducing pollution is another important step that you must take to protect it. Preserving forest and other natural habitat is also essential for protecting biodiversity and maintaining the health of our planet. Finally, we must all together to raise awareness about the importance of environment conservation and inspire others to take actions and by educating ourselves and others. I conclude my program with this beautiful quote of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Thank you.